Good morning.
Very good morning.
So it's my 4th day, and in Manali,
It is second day. Today we are leaving to Solang Valley, and what's the time now?
it's actually 6:30. So
Yes,
it's minus
we are
2
really
here.
shivering like anything. No,
But
it
we
was
are able to
minus
manage.
5 degree. It
But
was
we are-
minus. Yes,
Ah.
we are able to manage because we are getting used to this climate and weather. But still,
It's nice. It's nice experience. We are going to Solang Valley. Hope so. At least we'll see
snow
rain.
today.
True, we didn't see snow actually.
Snow.
In spite of that, we are shivering.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we are going down and we'll have some breakfast or coffee, something like that. Then we'll leave to Solang Valley and then we'll continue the further video. Okay? Bye.
So it's around 7 o'clock, and you can see the climate. You can see the mountains. It's like damn cold here. You can see how is it. We are actually shivering. We are not able to take. So, let's go to Solang Valley. Yes, Nanu? Come, let's go.
Yes.
Come on.
So we have Nikhil here.
Hey, Nikhil. Hi. How is it? How is the climate? He's shivering.
Yes. We are not able to speak actually. And this is Sai here.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go. So here is our lift.
Isn't she looks cute in this?
Thank you, Anu. Even she is looking like foreigner actually.
Oh
So
my
I was
god.
actually giving a compliment
That's a
to
great
her.
compliment.
So you can see our posts and our Instagram pics actually. So you can follow Instagram and you'll see our pics also. So lift is open. Come on.
Yes.
Come, let's go. So we are here. What are we doing, Anu?
So before we go to Solang Valley, first we have to buy the suits and the shoes, the one which she is wearing. So it will be something like this.
And you can show the dresses actually.
Yes. So let me show you what kind of suits we get here. So you'll have to dress up like this and you have to take the shoes. So just imagine how much cold it is.
Yeah, actually. We are not able to remove the gloves, but still
Yes.
not able to bend also.
True. Our aunt's legs are getting freezed. You're feeling better now?
Yeah, we can play, right? Yeah, actually he was telling he will not come to play with us actually.
And now he is ready. Just look at him. How he looks like.
So we have to get the gloves also actually. So we are here to get the gloves actually. We'll get the gloves, okay? You come, we'll get the gloves.
Yes, we'll go. This is the way to Solang Valley and you can see the view. The mountains are completely, it's not completely, partially covered with snow. Come on, I want to say hi. Sorry.
It's like completely covered. We are still freezing actually. So our legs, our hands, everything is too cold.
Can you see
We
this?
can't move. It's like frozen. But we are enjoying. Yeah,
Yes,
we are really enjoying.
we are meant to be.
We don't know. He's talking something.
Yeah,
We're not able to
actually the driver uncle is asking us to record that. So this is Solang Valley actually. This is ice. Hey, see, look. We have taken ices in our hands. See, it's nice. Oh my god, it's freezing. You can see the ice actually. Though we have sun, we have ice. We get only Maggie's and bread omelette here. And the ride is like we have to go in horse ride or in motorbikes. See here, look at here. This is called as motorbike rides. So 2 people in one motorbike. So me and Sai, we have reached here. And see,
And it's difficult to sit
Yeah, it's
also.
difficult also. It was like moving like this. We have to hold it tight. If not, we'll fall down. It was like that. But we are thoroughly enjoying here. Once you visit here, you'll get to know how it is. So we'll go up and we'll visit. See there, Anu.
We are actually walking in snow. Actually, we slipped also. Yeah. You can see yak here. We have yak rides, we have zip line. It's like we are slipping here. We are not able to walk only.
So this is how they tie this. Uncle, hi बोलो ना uncle.
Hi.
YouTube channel को.
Hi.
Name नाम. आपका नाम क्या है uncle?
Puran Chand.
Puran Chand. Nice.
So this is how they have tied. See,
Uncle हो क्या?
this is how.
Wait. पैर में लगेगा.
Thank you. So we have to hold this and we'll be going there. Hi Bijan.
Where are we going now? Where are we going?
Temple in Manali.
After enjoying a very good time in Solang Valley, now we are going to Vasist Temple. It is just 5 kilometers away from there. And as they said, we have hot springs, like we have hot water running there. So let's go and see how it is.
How is the climate now?
It's good quite. Actually, see when we go there, we feel sunlight, and when we are in shadows, we feel cold. So that is how it is. Let's go and see.
Nice.
Yeah.
So we are walking, no?
Yes, we are walking. It's a hilly area actually.
This is a temple actually. This is Vasisht temple. Here hot water, like we'll get hot water here, that's holy water. So that's the speciality. We'll go and check where we'll get this hot water and how it is going to be. We have one Rama temple also at the top, you can see. We have Rama temple. Actually, we'll go inside. I think so temple is actually closed. Because it is closed, we are not sure. We'll just check it out. You can see it is all made of woods. It's completely.
So this is the temple which is known as Vasisht temple, and I see the architecture is really good.
You can see the temple. This is, I think so, this is Molasthana, and we are taking it from actually a window, a small window. It's closed. We are not sure why it's closed.
Yes. So you can see the architecture here.
Yeah.
It's really good. It's an ancient architecture, and don't know in which era it was made out of. And the other one is for gents. Now we are going inside
Actually, it's a well, but we cannot record that because people are actually taking bath also here.
And that is only for ladies. So
And it's actually holy water, so we are not going to record that. Once you come here, you can visit it actually directly. Yeah. So we are going to go inside and we'll at least wash our legs and we'll come. So since it's considered as holy water, we are going to wash our legs and then while going back, we'll meet.
hey Bija, you want pav bhaji?
Also,
Today we are again in Mall Road and we are trying all street foods of Manali. And this is the pav bhaji. We have come to this shop called Ashiana. I'm going to taste this pav bhaji. Just watch. It's been a long time. Yeah, we'll take this.
how is it, Anu? Awesome.
Very awesome.
Fine then.
Please come and try this soon.
Sure, I am coming.